This play dance mat is so fun. So what I love about it is that my toddlers can play alone and self-play, or they can even like team up and play together. It's good exercise for them. It's really good teaching them coordination, matching what they see on a screen in the top part with the shapes that they need to put their foot to. And it has all these different levels.
Congratulations on your clearance. Welcome to mode 3.
So each time they're successful, they go up a level, which is really cool for them to get that confidence going as well. My youngest one got in on it too, so it was great to see her learn how to do it. She's not even 3 yet, and she was getting the hang of it. Her sister was helping out. That was super cute to watch.
Mission failed.
You didn't win.
You can also do a mode where you can just kind of make music, which is super fun. And then I got in on it too, and let me tell you, it's actually a pretty good workout and a lot of fun.